Hello and welcome to another feature walkthrough on Loubby. In this demo, I'll be showing you how to add a workspace to an existing company account. To begin, if you're signing up as a partner manager, you'll need to select the option that says, I am a partner company during the onboarding process. Once that's done, you'll have access to the Create Workspace feature. At the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll find the Switch Workspace button. Clicking this allows you to view all the workspaces that have been created under your account. Since this is a super administrator's account, it controls every other workspace added to it. Now let's go ahead and create a new workspace. We'll name this workspace The Ginger and provide an email address for the company. Once created, you'll see that the new company has been successfully added. If we refresh the page, we can now see the new workspace listed here. Its status currently showing Yet to Onboard. The main super admin workspace, on the other hand, shows Onboarded. Next, let's switch to the new workspace so we can complete the onboarding process. Here, you can fill in the company details, including the company name, role, for example, marketing, official website, and number of employees. You can skip the referral section if you wish and proceed to upload a company logo. Once uploaded, provide a short description about the company, then click Next. You can skip the social media section, then proceed to fill in the headquarters location, year founded, and industry type. Let's select manufacturing for this example. Finally, click Finish to complete the onboarding process. The new workspace has now been successfully onboarded and is ready to use. If we navigate back to the Workspaces section, we can see that the Ginger workspace has been fully set up and is currently active. The Magzi workspace, which serves as the super administrator account, remains listed here as well. Both workspaces can now be used simultaneously. It's important to note that the wallet is the shared feature connecting both workspaces. This means that whenever the super admin funds the wallet, the connected workspace, in this case, the Ginger, will also have access to the same wallet balance. Both can also fund their wallets independently, with Magzi remaining the super administrator. Now, let's log out and log back in. Here, you'll see the full list of workspaces, companies, and managers. We have the super administrator, Magzi, and the partner manager, the Ginger, the one we just created. And that's how to add and onboard a new workspace under an existing company account on Loubby. Thank you for watching.